জয় বিশ্বেশ্বরী জয় বিশালাক্ষী জয়
Sir, her pulse rate has suddenly started dropping.
Injection.
I called you as soon as I saw that. Is anything wrong, sir?
Yes. I think it's about organ failure. I already feared about this. To top it all, her son is so much worried. If he finds out about it, then...
Dripto, please don't go, Dripto.
What happened to my mom? They were saying outside that my mom's health is deteriorating. What's happening? Tell me, please.
Please go out. We are doing our best.
No, I won't go out. I'll be here. I'll see what treatment you're giving her. You aren't treating my mom well. I'm going to stay here.
Sir, the patient is shivering.
You?
Where had you gone? Friend, I can't understand this. You were in the outhouse. How did you get to know that the milk was poison?
Answer me. Don't be quiet. Answer me.
What happened? Why are you quiet? Whenever I ask you a question, you are quiet.
No, I mean, actually, I gave father the flowers offered to.
Let's go.
Where?
Let's go inside the house. You don't need to stay here anymore.
No, I can't go inside the house. I'm not allowed to go inside the house.
It's grandma's instruction. You don't have to think so much. Let's go.
What is this? Why is the lamp flickering? Is this an indication of danger?
Mom, what happened to you? Mom, uncle, look what my mom's doing. Please look, what's wrong with her? You please
Give me
do
the
something.
injection.
Why
Go.
aren't you doing anything?
Hold on,
Mom.
hold on.
Mom, no, uncle, wait. You please do something. Look, my mom is in so much pain. Please do something. Uncle, look at her.
Dripto, please go out. This is not helping us. Look, your crying won't help your mother recover at all. Let us try for God's sake. Please, we are finding it difficult to treat her.
No, I won't go.
Dripto, we have to let the doctors treat her. Dripto, please, let's go.
I won't leave my mom and go anywhere.
No, I
No,
understand.
I won't go. Please, I won't go
understand.
anywhere. I won't
Please,
leave my mom
Dripto.
alone.
Please, let's go. You're a good boy. Come.
Mom!
Hey! Friend, don't be crazy. grandma has called you inside the house.
No, no. I can't go anywhere. If the lamp extinguishes, there will be a disaster.
If the lamp extinguishes, it will be dark. There won't be a disaster. Oh, I get it. You're afraid of the dark, right? You fear insects and spiders?
No, no, that's not the reason. I have lit this lamp so that Dripto's mother recovers soon. But the lamp is flickering. It's not a good sign. I hope his mother is fine there.
Hey, no. That must not be the case. Mom is very strong. Nothing will happen to her. Besides, if anything happens, we will receive a phone call.
Phone?
Yes, phone. How else will they inform us?
Okay, tell me, where is the phone? Inside the house?
Obviously, inside the house. Really, friend, you say strange things.
So let's go then. I'll sit outside the house. If you receive a call, will you please let me know?
Oh, we will receive the phone call. Let's go for now.
Lourdes, please protect Dripto's mother. Nothing should happen to her, Lourdes.
Hey, let's go. Come on. Hey, come on. Let's go. Come along. Come on. Let's go. Let's go.
Mom, I'm your Deepu. Mom, please open your eyes. Mom, look at me. I'm calling you. Won't you talk to me? Mom, please look at me. No, trust me, Mom. Nothing has happened to you, okay? I'm with you. I'm your Deepu. Please open your eyes once. Please, Mom, look at me once. Please, Mom. Please, Mom. Please open your eyes, Mom. Nothing will happen to you. I'm calling out to you, Mom. Please open your eyes. Please, Mom, look at me. Mom, look at me. What's wrong with you?
Uncle,
Mom, I've been calling you. Why couldn't you do it? Tell me, why couldn't you save my mom? Answer me! I'm asking you something! Answer me! Look, I have no one except my mom. Please try and understand. Please do something. Save her. Please don't let her go.
Please try to understand. Look, we cannot give up at any cost. We have to save your mom. Listen, please calm down and go out. Let us handle this case. Look, time is running out. And if the situation goes out of control, we won't be able to do anything, no matter how hard we try. We have to examine your mom. Listen. What you're thinking actually happened or what?
No. I'm going right away. Please examine
please.
my mom properly. Please, I'm going. I request you. Please.
Yes,
do
we are
something.
here.
Yeah. My mom.
Hey, get the injection ready.
3.
Mom, you're so nice that no one can tolerate you. And I love you the most, so people don't really like it, Mom. Mom, you please get well soon, Mom. I love you a lot. I don't care what others say. I love you the most in this world. Mom, at least you don't leave me and go like my mom, please. Please, Mom.
I am in a dilemma, Kalpana. About Trinani. Everyone is pointing the finger at her. They think she poisoned the milk. But think Deepu is safe today only because of her. How can I not accept it? Tell me. Had she not run here and told us, would we have got to know that the milk was poisoned? Although Sanjukta added to my confusion. Sanjukta, by drinking the poisoned milk, only because of this, only because of this, we can't count Sanjukta among the people who intend to harm our Deepu. But Sanjukta has made many mistakes. Hasn't she? No, I don't want Sanjukta to be harmed. But she must be punished. Am I right, Kalpana? She has ruined everyone's life. And look at Destiny. She consumed that poison. This is called destiny. Am I right?
Pratima! Shame on you. Are you a human? A person is struggling for life and you are praying for her death. Disgusting.
No, Mother. I don't wish Sanjukta dead.
Just keep quiet. Do you think I did not hear you? Despicable woman. Don't you feel ashamed? How will you feel ashamed anyway? You have crossed the limit of shamelessness. Otherwise, you wouldn't get drunk in front of your mother-in-law and brother-in-law. You couldn't improve your own life and you were jealous of Sanjukta your whole life.
What will I gain by feeling jealous of Sanjukta?
Nothing. You won't gain anything. As it is, there is nothing that you will gain. Do you know? When people feel jealous, when they don't get anything and you got nothing in life. But you are the younger daughter-in-law. You were supposed to get everything. But if you haven't got anything, you are solely responsible for it. Giving you something means giving it to the undeserving. It's like casting pearls before swine. Everyone tried to reform you. Did you reform? You did not. Do you know why? It's because you are a bad human being. Otherwise, you couldn't have wished for Sanjukta to be dead. Listen to me, Pratima. Jealousy doesn't help you. You couldn't do anything while Sanjukta had a happy family right in front of your eyes. You were jealous of her and you became more careless and irresponsible. and you started spending your life there. That thing ruined everything for you. Alcohol ruined your life, and you have made our lives miserable. Only because of you, our reputation is tarnished. People gossip that the daughter-in-law of the Basu family is a drunkard. Disgusting. How dare you come into this room with alcohol? Kalpana was an ideal woman. Her world revolved around her husband, child, and family. She didn't want anything else. A bad woman like you isn't worthy of standing in front of her. Who gave you the right to destroy the sanctity of this room? Crap! What are you looking at? Tell me? You can't see anything. Neither life nor relationship. No one in this family likes you. Actually, you know what? You can't bear to see the happiness and prosperity of this family because you have no role in this. No one calls you to take your share. That's why you want to ruin the ambience of this family. You want Sanjukta's happy family to be ruined. Do you think I don't understand? You wish to ruin Sanjukta's happiness day and night. You curse her. You always curse her.
What are you saying, mother?
I am right. Otherwise, why would you support that girl who has come from the village for the property and who wants to harm my grandson Dripto?
You have always misunderstood me, mother. But please, that girl, don't misunderstand Trinani. I also suspected her in the beginning. But I realized it later that I was wrong. I can't mistrust her mother. You believe that eyes reflect what's in your heart, right? Had she been untruthful, wouldn't her eyes reflect it? Tell me. But I don't find lies in her eyes, mother.
How will you? You are always drunk. And listen, don't say all this nonsense to me. Actually, you were trying to team up.
I am trying to team up.
Of course you are. Rangana is a fool, so you used her and you worked in cahoots with that evil girl and conspired against Sanjukta. You want to harm Sanjukta and rule the roost? Listen to me carefully. As long as I am alive, I won't let anyone harm Sanjukta.
You're making a mistake, mother. Many years ago, Sanjukta separated me from this family. I am all alone. Brother showed mercy and let me stay here in this house in one corner. I am used to staying alone, mother. I don't wish to team up.
That's a lie. I clearly understand what your intention is. Even if you intend to, you won't succeed in teaming up. I will make sure that your team breaks apart. I will take Rangana away from you. And that girl, let's see what the priest says. If she is in Dripto's protective shield, she won't stay in this house anyway. You will stay alone. Women like you stay alone all their lives and feel jealous of others. Sanjukta will live happily with her family in front of your eyes. Nothing will happen to her, nothing at all. You will see, she will return. Even if you wish bad for her, nothing will happen to her. Mark my words. Your conspiracies won't work.
Mother,
Stop! First, you need to learn to stand straight on your own feet, then come to give me support.
come quickly. What happened? Come in.
I better sit here in a corner. Okay, where is your phone? And will I be able to hear the phone ringing if I sit here?
Quiet. Don't talk too much. Grandma is resting and aunt is tense, so she is drinking even more than usual. They'll be annoyed if they hear you talk. If they get to know that you are here, you will be in trouble.
Trouble? But why? You told me grandmother asked me to come home, right?
You are getting me into trouble by questioning me back. I told you to come with me. Come upstairs.
Upstairs? No, I can't do that. I won't go upstairs. Grandmother asked me to come home. She didn't ask me to go upstairs. What if there is a problem? And besides, what if I can't hear the phone ringing upstairs? Then I won't get to know the news from the hospital.
You don't listen to anyone. That's a problem with you. There, that's the phone. Okay? And when the phone rings, there will be a trin-trin sound. You will hear it. And our phone is like the siren of a factory. You will surely hear it. Hey! Hey girl, did I ask you to sit here?
I beg you. Please let me sit over here. Please let me sit near the phone. I'm really very worried.
Oh my lord, this girl is not listening to me. I am telling you that you will hear the phone ring and you're afraid there will be a problem. If I am with you, you won't get into trouble. If anyone sees you sitting here, there will be a big problem. Mark my words. Come on, get up. Come with me. Come.